Sean Parker joins us now for his first weather forecast. And while Florida is dealing with some serious rain, we have beautiful skies here in western Colorado.
Absolutely. But do you have any idea what you're missing? You get into work at what, 2, 3 in the morning?
4:30.
4-ish.
Yeah.
I was just out running around doing God knows what. And it was just sunny, 70 degrees. Do you envy me at all?
Well, yes, I do. But John Carroll and I made a rule yesterday that you must stay and watch News Channel 5 at noon until 12:30. And then all of the Grand Valley is allowed to go outside. So that is the new rule.
All right.
Yeah, now you know.
That sounds perfect. In about 20, 25 minutes, you can head outside and enjoy everything. For now, you can just look at it. Beautiful, clear skies, as shown here. Just some clouds over the mountains. That is just about it. A little bit closer to home, here's what it looks like. Clouds entering Pitkin County. Couple of spot mountain showers, and that's just about it. And that'll be the story as we head into early this afternoon. There is a weak disturbance just to our north and west that's going to cause some mountain showers. No snow this time like we saw last week, but still. Temperatures like this right now: 84 in Grand Junction, 89 in Gateway, 73 in Aspen, 85 in Montrose, and 80 in Parachute. And for the next few hours, we're going to be mostly sunny, warming up to a high today of about 93 degrees with those slight mountain showers. So if you're driving from here to Denver within the next few hours, expect some light rainfall, maybe a rumble of thunder or two. But that's just about it. And we're warming up as we head towards next weekend. We'll talk about it in just a few minutes, Lauren.
All right, thanks. Sean's in now for his full weather forecast, and it's 84 as I can see, and sunny. Perfect day right now.
Perfect day right now. And what time is it? 12:15 approximately?
It's about 12:19 to be exact.
Happy lunchtime, Lauren.
Exactly. Well, not for me. I'm working still.
Yeah, but it's still lunchtime for everybody watching us not eat. Enjoy your sandwiches and subs and soups or whatever it is you're having. 84 right now in Grand Junction. Perfect day for a picnic. Winds are out of the south-southeast at about 7. Mid-80s as well in Montrose. Winds are out of the north at about 6. Glenwood Springs sits pretty at 80 degrees as well. Winds are out of the west-northwest at about 7 miles an hour. And in Aspen right now, 73. A little bit cooler as you head to the mountains, and that's to be expected this time of year. Well, really all year long. And right now, also 73 in Beijing, China. Thursday, it is 2 a.m., 73 degrees with partly cloudy skies and a little bit of mist falling over in Asia. All right, this is Tropical Storm Faye. As you saw earlier, it's confusing forecasters like nobody would believe, because right now what we're thinking it's going to do is project itself a little bit to the north and to the east, back into the Atlantic, and then by about Thursday afternoon, take a sharp turn to the left and head west and hit Florida once again. And even from there, as we head into the weekend, the track of this thing really gets tricky, because everywhere you see in yellow here is a possible track for this tropical storm to go. It could head back into the Gulf of Mexico, re-strengthen. It could head back out into portions of the southern Atlantic states. At this point, we're not 100% sure, but this is the best idea we have right now, heading right over the Florida Panhandle and right into Georgia and Alabama. All right, rest of the country looks like this. Mostly dry. Here's Faye down in southeastern Florida. Large area of moisture continues to plague the lower mid-Atlantic states. And as we head into our area, some moisture in the mountains just to the west of Denver. That is just about it. Mostly sunny skies are definitely the story. We're seeing temperatures in the mid-80s right now. We're going to skyrocket up to about 93 degrees for a daytime high today. However, we have some clouds around the valley, mainly on top of the mesa, and as you head east into Pitkin County towards Aspen. Temperatures are like this, mid to upper 80s around the area, 80 in Parachute, 89 in Gateway, and as we said, 73 in Aspen. This is how the valley will wrap up this afternoon. 84 by 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so we'll stay pretty much where we are for the next few hours. By 5 o'clock, 89 degrees. We'll top out at about 93 degrees today at about 3 p.m., 85 in Palisade, 89 in Clifton. Plenty of sunshine. You see the clouds start to pop up over the mesa and into the Rocky Mountains. That's just about it, and we'll wrap up today in the low 70s at 10 o'clock tonight. Montrose, Olathe, and Delta look like this. Plenty of sunshine all throughout the day. Mid to upper 70s by 1 o'clock in the afternoon. By 5 o'clock, we're in the 80s and the 70s around the area in south central Colorado. By 10 p.m., mostly clear. It's going to be a beautiful night in Montrose, Olathe, and Delta. Low to mid 60s through midnight. Roaring Fork Valley looks like this. Entirely different story. Mostly cloudy, scattered showers and thunderstorms by 1 o'clock, 78 in Glenwood Springs. By 5 o'clock, we're looking at 82 in Glenwood, 63 in Aspen, 74 in Carbondale. You see most of the moisture locked well to the south and to the east of the Roaring Fork Valley. Rest of the area, where's it going to rain? Is it going to rain at your house? I guess we'll wrap up Wednesday night in the Roaring Fork Valley first. 51 61 in Aspen, 59 in Carbondale, 65 in Glenwood Springs. Now, let's talk about the rest of the area. Mostly sunny this afternoon. You see a couple of spot showers in Pitkin County by 5 o'clock. They're wrapping up. If anything, they'll be out of here, but tomorrow night and by tomorrow morning, looks like this beautiful skies in the valley, maybe a few clouds around, but the rest of the area just looks absolutely fantastic. So, to wrap up today, we're going to be mostly sunny with a few mountain showers and thunderstorms, 93 degrees for a daytime high. Tonight, 60 degrees in the valley, mostly clear and comfortable, absolutely fantastic. And then tomorrow, mostly sunny, the warm-up continues, 94 degrees for a daytime high. That's tomorrow. Next 3 days, 93, 94 on Thursday, 93 on Friday, and it just gets better as we head towards the weekend. Maybe a few clouds rolling in here Saturday and Sunday, but overall, temperatures in the mid to upper 90s. I don't know about you, but right after this, in about 5-10 minutes or so, I am going to go get myself a sub.
Me too.
And eat it
We'll go
outside.
together. All right. Well, thanks, Sean, very much. Coming up after the break, we'll have Greg Remingay. Stay with us. Many of us thank the man upstairs every single day, but one Florida man finds his inspiration on a piece of wood. We've told you about a Jesus Cheeto. Well, now there's one in wood. Walston Hickson says this image is of Jesus. However, he says this is a piece of wood actually telling two stories. If you flip the wood over, it says you can see an image of a devil-like monster on the other side. Hansen says he's considering selling the divine wood on eBay, but he isn't sure if he wants to part with it.
Wow, he's just popping up everywhere, isn't he?
I know. Jesus is everywhere, apparently. In the sinks, in the Cheetos,
And
I
now
don't know.
the devil's popping up.
I
Who
know,
knows
it's a
what's gonna be
two-side.
next?
All right, thanks, guys, very much. Karen Rick will be right here tonight on News Channel 5 at 5.